Public speaking is a skill that can open doors to new opportunities, but for many, the journey to becoming a confident speaker is hindered by one powerful obstacle. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is self-criticism. That teeny inner voice that we all have that many times is not helpful. It is really our inner critic that's our enemy. And what we want to be able to do is change that inner critic into an inner champion. I want to share 5 ideas with you in this video that will help you reframe and change that inner critic into a champion that is by your side, cheering you on every step of the way. Because I'm a firm believer we all need a cheerleader now and again, every day, as a matter of fact, and that's what I want to share with you. So first and foremost, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself like you would your very best friend. If your friend came to you and said, "Boy, I'm really struggling with this public speaking thing," what would you say to them? You would cheer them on. You would say, "Everyone starts somewhere." You would say, "Don't give up." You would say, "Little by little makes the difference." The old adage from the tortoise and the hare, slow and steady wins the race. Break that big goal into smaller, more manageable parts. Be your own best friend and give yourself as much grace and compassion as you would someone else. We all know that from time to time we slip up. So be that as it may, and encourage yourself to say, "Hey, okay, that didn't work like I thought. What can I learn from it, and how can I use that to move forward?" That leads me to the next step, which is progress, not perfection. We can strive for excellence, but trying to be perfect is fool's folly. We can't. We're human. We're going to screw up. We're going to make mistakes. Things are going to happen in life that are not perfect. So one of the biggest self-criticism traps is this idea that we can be perfect or everything has to be perfect before we can move forward. The fear of making mistakes can paralyze us. Avoid letting it stop you. Do it anyway. Know that there are going to be boo-boos. We can recover from them. And give yourself the grace to do that. The third thing I want you to keep in mind is visualize success. See things going really, really well. Take a few minutes, close your eyes, and see yourself in the venue or making the recording, whatever it is you're attempting to do, and see it going really, really well. If you're on stage, see the audience applauding after you've finished. Maybe even a standing ovation for your work. If you're recording a video, see it be successful, seeing people like, seeing people re-share. Visualize yourself being awesome and amazing because you are. All too often, we use visualization techniques in the wrong way. We see the worst case scenario happening. See the best case scenario happening. That's what you want to do when you visualize success. The next thing I want you to keep in mind is record and review. Many people dislike making recordings because they don't like the sound of their own voice. Embrace your voice. It's yours. It's amazing. You are amazing. I want to encourage you to really see that. Embrace what makes you unique, but know it's the work of repeat, rinse and repeat, right? Every shampoo bottle says that. Lather, rinse, repeat, lather, rinse, repeat, at least twice. When you're practicing public speaking, it is more than twice, and it is repetitive, but know that rehearsal makes it better. Think about stage plays. Actors and actresses have opportunities to rehearse and rehearse and rehearse again. And even the night before opening, the final dress rehearsal, there might be some bugs to work out. That's okay. Know that practice is progress, and when we review and make adjustments, we are all the better for it. Seek constructive feedback. That's my last tip for you today. Find a trusted friend or a colleague, a coach or a mentor, someone who's been where you want to be, and ask them for feedback. Watch what other people do, not to copy, but to see what works and what they're doing to be creative. So find a mentor, find a friend to give you feedback, hire a coach, whatever it takes to get feedback to help move you forward. Those are my 5 tips for you today, ladies and gentlemen, to eliminate, well, not eliminate, we want to change that critical voice, because we can't make the voice in our head go away. It will always be there. What we can do is encourage it to be our champion, to be our friend, to help us move forward in a way that is productive and makes a difference. So if you know someone that could benefit from this video, please feel free to share it. And if you haven't done so already, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel, because I will come back next week with a new idea to share. Make it a great day. See you next time.